Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about my vintage Air Arms S410. This vintage dates back to the year 2000. This fill port, this male fill port is very similar to the Foster fitting. But anyway, I did not have a way to fill this vintage fill port. This dates back to the year 2000. So I went on Pyramid Air and I ordered an Air Arms female adapter for this. And this just snaps on here, just like the Foster fitting. Pull that ring up, snaps right on there. This adapter itself costs $20 from Pyramid Air. I'll put that in the video description below. And this next one is a $10 adapter. Foster adapter that screws right onto this adapter. I wanted the Foster adapter because I only have one hose with a female Foster fitting, and I just wanted to be able to use that one hose. So anyway, I'll screw this on here. One other thing I wanted to mention, this Air Venturi Foster male adapter comes with a white plastic seal. They call it a Delrin seal. I just popped it right in there. All right, let's screw this on. All right, that's all screwed on. Okay, now that that's on there, I can take my single hose that I use to fill all my PCP guns. I can take the female Foster fitting on my single hose, just put it on there and fill away. Well, hope that helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.